Hi everyone, this is Matthew. Today we're going to show you guys how to set up the TOUCHSCALPER bot on the new binary.com platform. We received some updates a few days ago, and some people sent us some messages asking us if the TOUCHSCALPER bot will work on the new interface. So it's just to clear your doubts that the TOUCHSCALPER bot works the same way it works on the binary.com platform, same way it works on the deriv.com interface owned by binary.com. So as you can see, the bot is already loaded here. So to use this bot on the new binary.com interface, you can see the interface right here. This is the bot. Quickly, this is the TOUCHSCALPER bot. For those who haven't purchased this bot, just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. These are the features of the TOUCHSCALPER bot. These are the features. This is a link to purchase the bot. This link will also be pasted in the video description on YouTube. This is the link. The link will be in the video description on YouTube. Just check the description. You'll see the link right there. As you can see, these are a few awesome results of this TOUCHSCALPER bot. So you can see these are a few days ago. See the results. These are another result a few days ago. You can see right there. So let's get back to the interface, the new interface. So the bot has been loaded. I'm going to show you how to quickly load it on the new interface. Once you are logged into deriv.com using the same email and password you used to log into your binary.com platform, just go to the dbot on the top left corner. You see the dbot. Then this is the dbot automated trading. You click on it. You just locate the bot. It will prompt you to go to your computer local drive. You select the TOUCHSCALPER bot. I've selected it. So I've loaded the bot again. You can see the bot will show right here. If it's loaded successfully, it will show right here, TOUCHSCALPER bot. The bot has been upgraded recently to the version 2.1, and we've sent this latest version to all those who have purchased the bot. And it also includes the old versions. So if you purchase the bot, you will get all the previous versions, including the latest version. So once you load the bot, all you need to do is to just come right here towards the right down corner here and click on run bot. Then the bot will start running. The bot will pick the first trade in few seconds. You will see. So let's wait for it to pick the first trade. You can also run the bot on many tabs, just like you do on the binary.com platform. You can see it has picked the first trade. So let's wait for the outcome of the first trade. You can open many tabs as instructed again. You can open many tabs and load the bot on many tabs. You can see the bot already won that trade. So as the first trade, contract won. So you can leave it running or open so many tabs. In few seconds again, you're going to pick another trade. So if you want to stop the bot, just click on stop right here. So these are to load the bot on the deriv.com platform. Thanks. Bye. For those who haven't purchased this bot, just don't forget to use this URL www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the bot. This link will also be in the video description on YouTube. Bye.